Hello and welcome back to another video. For those of you who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those of you who don't, my name's Darryl and I'm the owner of Bristol Detailing Supplies. So I just wanted to give you a quick run through on this Ford RS. So this is in for our 5-year wax is dead package with the optional extra of the wheels being coated. First of all, what we did was we gave the vehicle a real good wash to get out all the waxes and everything else off. For this we use Bristol Detailing Supplies products. I'll put the link in the description, you should definitely check it out for yourself. Once we've done all the wash process and everything, then you get on to decontamination. So that's obviously removing all of your embedded contaminants and anything that we don't want to be polishing on top of. This involves clay bar and using toxic waste, which is another Bristol Detailing Supplies product. This removes all the RF away, so forth. So anyway, let's get to it. So once the vehicle's been washed, we'll bring it in here, we dry the vehicle off. Once the vehicle's been dried, then we look at getting everything masked up, so any plastics or rubbers or anything like that, we don't want anything exposed, we don't want any polish to get onto any of these items or damage anything. So once everything's been masked up, then we go through the machine polishing process. So on this vehicle I would say we probably achieved about an 80% correction. There was a lot of heavy defects in this, such as like scratches, and it looks, to be honest with you, it looks like there's been a water blade used with where it's obviously called dirt. So we've rectified most of these problems. There's still some marks on the vehicle, a couple of little scuffs here and there, but nothing too major. So once the vehicle's ready, then we start machine polishing. In this case, like I said, we did a one-stage machine polish. Once that's been finished, we use the Wax is Dead cleaner, which is a IPA-based product, which removes any oils, waxes, or anything left from the polishing stages. Once all that's been done, then we move on to coating. So in this vehicle, we use the Wax is Dead Supreme, which is a self-healing coating. Hopefully, I'll do a video on that to show you the properties and what that's capable of. It's a really good watch. On the wheels, we use the Wax is Dead Heat. This is a really good ceramic, nice and easy to use, goes straight on, gloss, matte, satin, doesn't matter what finishes on the wheels, this is suitable. For the glass, we use the Wax is Dead glass. Yeah, enjoy the video. If you've got any questions or anything, please leave them below in the comments, and I will try my very best to get back to everybody. But yeah, enjoy the video.